So picking up where we left off in the last video, we figured out that k is equal to 21 and recall that x is equal to y because they both are vertical angles. So let's just solve for x, right? So we're going to figure out what x is by plugging in k. So 6 by 21 plus 13. 6 times 1 is going to be 6. 6 times 12, or 6 times 2 is 12, and I carry the 1, so it's going to be 126 plus 13 is going to be equal to x, or x is going to be equal to 139. Okay, so now that we know x is equal to 139, I'm going to clean up so we have more space to see everything. So if x is equal to 139, that means that y is also going to be equal to 139. And then remember that all the angles around this vertex are going to equal 360 degrees, right? So we can use this to figure out what the value of z is, right? So we know that 2 times z plus x plus y is going to equal 360, right? And remember, x is equal to y, so this is just the same thing as 2 times 139, and then we add our 2z in here, right? And that is all going to be equal to 360. So over here, I'm going to figure out what 2 times 139 is. You can use your calculator. I like to just do everything by hand. So it's going to be 18. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So we have a 278. So 2z plus 278 is going to equal 360. Now we need to minus the 278 from both sides. And again, you can use your calculator for this. I like to do everything by hand, so I am going to do this one by hand too. So 360 by 278. But in the actual SAT, you should definitely use your calculator because it is going to be a lot faster. But if you are really good at mental math, by all means, try it. I would recommend you do what you're comfortable with, right? So 2z is going to be equal to 82. So z is going to be equal to nothing more than 82 by 2. Or in other words, z is equal to 41. Is that one of our answer choices? Yep, there you go.